Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to adjust volume without button on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, some devices such as smartphones and tablets offer on-screen controls or accessibility button that allow users to adjust the volume directly within the software interface. Okay, and then here are the steps to adjust volume without button on your device. Okay, first thing first, please open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. Well, after that you can go to the accessibility option here. Well, and then in this page, you can choose interaction and dexterity option. Okay, after that you can activate assistant menu by pressing this button and then click allow. Well, after that you can tap on this icon to show the accessibility tools. And then here you can adjust the volume by tapping this icon. Well, that's the tutorial on how to adjust volume without button on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.